Actually, you guys probably don't know about this, but you can actually make 2 furnaces and then you cook twice as faster roofs. Yeah. Yeah. A lot of people don't know this as well, but what you can do, instead of having 3 furnaces, you can write this down if you want. I won't charge you. You can have 4 furnaces. And that way, you can do it even faster, right? Guys, a lot of people don't know this. You can actually have 7 furnaces. Yeah, but you didn't know that, dummy.
So a lot of people don't know this, but instead of having 3 furnaces, you can have 1,000. Thank you, Pewds, for this terrible idea. So thankfully I'm doing this on a world I've played a lot on, so I already had a whole double chest of cobblestone. With that, I was able to make 408 furnaces, which was a lot, but we were going to need a lot more. About an hour later, I had finally collected enough cobblestone to craft the last furnaces, and once I did that, I realized I didn't really know what I was going to do with them. But then I had a stupid idea, and I decided to cover an island with them.